What questions can be used in a wide range of ways. You could ask somebody, "What time is it?" "What are you doing?" "What is that?" You can also use what in the middle of sentences. Is this what you are talking about? There are many different ways it can be used. What questions? What is the time?
It is 10:59 a.m.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have the salmon, please.
What is your name?
My name is Dan.
What is in the sandwich?
Egg and salad.
What can I help you with?
Where are the toilets?
What would you like from the shops?
Could you get me some crisps, please?
What flavour milkshake would you like?
Strawberry, please.
What wire do I use to charge my phone?
It is this one, here.
What is your email address?
My email is nick@gmail.com.
What is happening?
We are waiting for the tutor.
What questions? What time is it? Thank you. What's the weather like? I wonder what I should wear. What is your favourite season? What do you like about the summer? What about ice creams?